This is a Shuffle 17 puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Yu Osaka and it has a difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. The goal of the puzzle is quite simple, just put all the parts, 17 parts, inside the frame. But there is a twist. If you put, for example, this tile with the cutout for the digit 4, like that, you will see that it fits nicely. But you can flip it and it still fits nicely. But this tile has a curved corner here. When you flip it, the curved corner is here. And that makes a lot of difference. Same happens with some other numbers like 1. You flip it and the curved corner is on the other side. So it makes it quite a difficult challenge to solve the puzzle. If you want to try to solve the Shuffle 17 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I'll start by putting all those white tiles in the correct position, since it is very important. If you put one of them in a wrong way, like you can flip the 3 as well, but you have to put it like that so that the curved cutout will be here on top. Then goes 6, then we put 4 right here, 5 goes here. 5 is one of the numbers that you can flip. It stays the same, no problems, but 5 is very similar to number 2. If you flip it, you can put it instead of 2. So yeah, that can be quite a challenge. Then 7 goes here. Pay attention to the curved corner where it goes, and then 9 goes here. The next will be those orange parts. This one goes here. Then probably this one will be here. This part goes in here, fits nicely. This goes in here. Now we deal with this orange piece. I think it goes in here. We have only a couple of parts left, and I think, yeah, I still remember the correct solution, and that's how you solve the puzzle. That was the Shuffle 17 from Yu Osaka. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Yu Osaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca.